Guys, I'm Steve, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things stock and market investing and long-term dividend gain. If you are it's your first time stopping by the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. You won't regret it. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Well, guys, today I got some big news coming out of the camp of Intel. Today they've unveiled their what's the name of that chip? The Core 19-13900K chip, processing chip. Now this chip right here is supposed to be top of its line, and it's made to battle chips of the company AMD. Now this chip right here is supposed to be used less. It's supposed to be really fast, and it's supposed to use less power than 11th generation chips. This chip right here is a 13th generation chip. Now, a little bit about the chip. It contains 8 P cores and 16 E cores. Now, I'm not tech savvy. I don't know what that means, but it sounds serious. Like I said, it's the chip to compete with the likes of AMD's chips. Along the lines of some of the features the chip has, you can multitask while doing multiple projects or saving and storing multiple projects. Now, what I get from that is, I guess when you're completing some work and you're storing something and you're waiting for the bar to go up, as it's finishing loading up or whatever, you can do other things without losing your information or creating a stall between, you're loading or saving information and doing something else, clicking into another window. So, I mean, that's a good thing. They also say this chip is a good chip for gamers and content creators alike. So we'll see how that goes with that. But yeah, as far as the chip, if you're a shareholder in Intel like I am, you got to be excited. I mean, especially after the news today saying that they hit a 52-week low. I mean, it's an excellent buying opportunity for me. I don't know about you guys. Another thing is, right now with the market, everybody's making plays, about 3 sectors that should be taking off or doing well during this time of the market being in flux. And those are technology, energy, and healthcare. As you know, Intel Corporation is a tech stock, and it's definitely in play. Right now, I'm looking at it, and at market close, it's $26.89. Since an announcement has been made about the chip, the stock has even back where it was up a few percent, but now, I mean, it's down a few micro percents. But now it's back to 26.98. I mean, 89. It's an excellent play. $110 billion company, right? I have a video on Intel that I'll put in one of these boxes over here. You can see, I mean, I already done a little analysis of it and why I like it so much. But yeah, I mean, looking at it, I mean, it's definitely worth the investment, especially at the buy-in time now, because with all the uncertainty in the market, shares are considered going to continue to drop. And with stuff continuing dropping, a share like this, I mean, a stock like this gets forgotten a lot of times, because right now it's it get kind of forgotten, or it gets, I don't want to say forgotten, but it gets lost in the loop. And Intel right now, without a doubt in my mind, is lost in the loop. You see how it's falling. I mean, a few months ago, the stock was going almost close up to 50 something dollars. It might even pass $50. It was close to it. So, it was building momentum, and then it got knocked off its axis with all this stuff with the Fed and stuff. This stock right here has a first year estimate of 37.80. Right now, you're at 26.89, still room to grow. Company's not in trouble, anything like that. It's definitely a play, and it's a sleeper pick. Definitely watch list a contender for the watch list. Anybody's watch list that's looking to get into tech, but doesn't want to spend the high prices of a lot of the tech stocks that are overvalued. But P/E ratio is 5.7 for a tech company. A lot of growth still left. And in this economy where we are right now, stocks are going to continue to fall. This is going to look more and more attractive to a lot of investors. So you might want to check it out before it's too late, where we might get a big rush into it. Me personally, I'm already a shareholder in Intel. I love the company. I love the direction the company's going in. Like I mentioned, I put it in another video, and you know, I'm all in. Now, will I buy some more shares right now? No, I won't buy no more shares right now, especially with me buying shares the other day, yesterday. But it's definitely in my dollar cost average list. So, I'll be watching the stock closely, and I'll be keeping a good eye on it. Now, however this chip, changes the game for Intel, either way, it's good news for me, and hopefully it's good news for you guys. But I'm not really tech savvy like that. I mean, knowing about the CPUs and all of that, the E core and P core, you know, I'm just really into the company. But yeah, I just want to share a little bit about the news that came out today. You guys can go and research it. I mean, it's news. It's on the internet somewhere. But yeah, I just wanted to chime in, talk a little bit about that. A little bit of excitement in a down day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you for spending time with me as always. I'll see you. Take care.